HUAWEI FreeBuds 6i. Let's unbox it. And on the box we do have high-res audio. Let me put it aside. Wow, nice. Of course, what accessories I'm going to have. It has 11mm woofer for the great audio experience, 14 Hertz, which is really nice. A thick manual with tons of languages. What kind of accessories are we going to have? Cable, USB type A to USB type C cable. Of course, LDAC and high-res audio. You can pair up to 2 devices, which is super cool. Wow, extra buds. Okay, and the device itself. Let me take that plastic off. And voila, ta-da! There's some markings inside. Let me just put it a little bit closer. That looks really, really slick. Okay. One. It's all magnetic. Let me go. It's all magnetic. It's a right one and left one. I look clean. A little zoom for you. There you go. Super clean. Let's go outside. Great for running. Maximum volume. Any leakage? Any? Everyone knows there's a lot of noise in the city. But with the third generation of ANC, much better. To control the apps, you are using AI Live. And with AI Live, we can have battery status, case, and of course the buds itself. We do have noise cancellation, or awareness, or off if you wanted to. Well, you have to have them in your ear first. Then sound effects, bass boost, treble, voice, symphony, sound quality. But you can prioritize the sound or prioritize the connection quality. Gestures, tips, updates, and more. Settings, follow letters. If you want, of course, codecs, LD, AC, and help. And the sound itself, it's warm, but it's not overwhelming warm. We have very nice separation between highs, mids, and lows, but mids are on the front and highs a little bit on the back. So mids and lows a little bit forward in those one. But I like it because I love the warm sound and it's not extremely bass. You see, most of the, okay, not most, many earbuds are too bassy. This is not the case. This is a very clean, high-res audio sound and I love it. Also, the ANC is outstanding. Link in the description for you. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.